Hello, everyone. Well, just like the title says, this is a little video about how to use Desmos. So I've already gotten started here. You can see one of the convenient things about Desmos is you can actually write the general form of an equation and then fill in values for your parameters. So um, this can be a useful strategy if you're wanting to fit a line to a certain point. If you're just trying to state the general form. Another advantage to this is later on when I add some exponential functions and some other stuff, you'll see that well, it can be really useful for filling in the values of an equation or a formula. So yeah, we can plot two equations or plot two functions. I can click on points, multiple points on the same line. Anywhere you see a gray dot, you can actually sort of summon that point, and Desmos will label it for you. One of the many advantages, let's go up here for a second. You see it's in radian mode. We'll have to switch that to degree mode. Yeah, for if we're going to be using this for a trig calculator. Yep. So just like your calculator, you have to know if it's radians or degrees when you're using trig. Okay, that's a thing to know. Cool. And you can see that I can come up here and title this graph. I can say quick formula calculator. So you'll have to make an account if you want to do this. But that's pretty easy to do, right? Yeah. And now it'll save it just like it is. Not only that, I don't know. Say I really want to ask my professor about this. I can say copy that um, and send that link, and it'll open it just like it was when you saved it. So remember, if you make changes, you'll have to resave and reshare the link. Important detail there. Okay. So just so we have something to work with, let's take a look at a quiz. Let's take a look at, say, yeah, here we go. So you see, I've done all the work for this, and I have sort of final answers that need some further work, right? So let's just take this top one, right? This can be difficult, or I wouldn't say difficult. This can be sometimes confusing um, right here to punch into a calculator. Do I have too many parentheses? Not enough parentheses. Why doesn't it look like the way I wrote it? And same thing going on here. These get even worse when you're using the finance formulas. Well, the advantage of Desmos is that, so I wanted to do, oh dear, let's do natural log of 200 divided by natural log of 2 to the 1/3 power, right? Okay. So, well, geez, how do I get natural log? I'm going to hit the functions button here. And if I'm just real lucky, it's on the first page. Nope. Nope. Ah, there it is, natural log. All right, so what did I do there? I went function, miscs, and there it was, right there. Yeah, yeah. Except I don't need two of them, do I? No, I certainly don't. There we go. A little bit of backspace there. You can also just type ln. Now, when you're using, when you're not using the desktop version, that can be, as hairy. But what did I want to do? Natural log of 200. And see, it's already spitting me out answers there. And I'm going to divide that by natural log of, what was it? What was it? Jeez, I can't remember. Can't remember. 2 to the 1/3. All right. 2. All right. Now, someone asked in class, what, frozen the iPad is. Huh, Desmos is frozy. All right, guys, that's very interesting. It's never happened to me before. Um, well, we didn't lose much. All right, what was it? Functions, misc, natural log, 200 divided by functions, natural log of 2. Now, what do we do for powers? Well, we got an a squared button. That'll take whatever number you just wrote and put a squared after it. But we're going to actually use the a to the b button. That just gets you up in the exponent. And, I like to be careful, so use more parentheses than I need. And you see there, it's given me the correct answer. You can look at the solution video to see that that is indeed the correct answer. And it's giving it to us. You see, we wrote it just like we wrote it in, you know, uh, like we'd write it on our paper. So there's some inherent advantages to that there. Um, so I'm going to start using Desmos more and more in these quiz videos, and so you'll see a lot more of the functionality there. So just to summarize, get Desmos on your phone if you got room for it. Make yourself an account. You can link it to your Google if you like. That's easy. If we do that, we can save. And it gets better than that, actually. Say, excuse me. Well, you'll see how much better it gets when I solve the last 2 quizzes using Desmos as my calculator. Again, I'm trying to keep these videos short, so I'll leave it there. Please email me if you have any questions, and I hope you enjoyed the first of our short videos. Hope you have a good day. Bye.